Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can upload or publish your video to Adobe Contributor. To upload your video on Adobe Contributor, you cannot upload just MP4 file directly from your PC. Here you can see I have uploaded some video and then I will guide you how you can upload also from any video to Adobe account. Simply you go to upload. Here you can see how to upload a video. I will show a video just from my PC how to upload, but cannot Adobe. You can see here I am going to upload a one video file but cannot. See, here is loading and will be shown the file. See, the video cannot upload from the PC. This is why we need to use FileZilla to publish or upload our video directly to Contributor. Simply go to upload to Adobe and then click the lang mode, and you can see here Adobe showing hosting number and password, hosting number and username. This hosting number username you can use to your FileZilla. Go to FileZilla to install in your PC. Simply click here and use this option. Just click and download. After download, you can open your FileZilla. Since I have download, I am going to my FileZilla and open it. It is open this like this. You are seeing in the screen. So you need to connect FileZilla to Adobe Contributor. You can see a hosting number. This hosting number provided by Adobe Contributor. So we need to go to Adobe and take the hosting number and paste here. Just copy the hosting number from Adobe and paste it to FileZilla, and then go again back and take the username. The username here you see, the one is automatically provided by Adobe. If you cannot copy, take the screenshot by your phone and type slowly. Make sure you write correctly in capital letter or a small letter. You must be copy paste there exactly. Here I put my one, and now it's time to generate a password. Simply click this generate password. Adobe will make an automatic password for you. Get the password exactly and copy paste to the password to FileZilla. So I put my Adobe password to FileZilla and click the quick connect. I confirm this one, and then this showing the file to connect the Adobe to the FileZilla. Because I put the wrong password, maybe I need to take the password again correctly and try again. So I put again here. I take this time correctly, take the exactly and click the confirm and connect. You can see here this time they connect automatically. This time they accept my password. Now it's time to copy paste the file in FileZilla, the file you want to publish or upload on Adobe Contributor. Now go to my video file that I want to publish on Adobe. I have one video here. This one I made with AI. This video file I want to publish or upload on Adobe Contributor. Simply copy paste the video to the Zilla file. Just copy and paste here or drag and drop, and then the file is going to combat. So this file already combat in the FileZilla. Now we go to Adobe to publish. You don't need to go here to publish the video. So instead, what we do is go to FileZilla. Go to FileZilla and then right click your mouse, and then you will see the refresh. Click the refresh, and here you can see empty, but don't worry, here empty, and the file already automatically go to the Adobe Contributor account. So in the Adobe Contributor account, we will also refresh. After refresh, you can see the video here automatically. See here, the video is already come here. So we don't need to go manually to upload. Just refresh the same video. You can see this video I make with AI. Same video. So the video already here, and then we need to fill the video detail. The video detail you fill here, and then put the title and some keyword, and then publish. This video I make with Canva AI. Text to video, I use the prompt I want to paste in the video description and title. The best way to publish to Adobe Contributor is they accept AI video, AI photo, image, anything they accept. So this is the best way. Since I have a lot of in review, the Adobe not accept my file, so I need to save my work. And see here a lot of in review. Adobe take 8 weeks, is more than 1 month. After they accept my this photo and video, then I can re-upload the file. Just now I save in my Adobe Store. You can see here all the content I made with AI. So Adobe, you accept the AI content. This is why one best thing in Adobe to contribute the video and photos. So this is how you can upload video from MP4 or any file to your Adobe Contributor. Make sure you subscribe my channel and ask anything in comments. Thank you so much.